Welcome to back my channel Car Rides Tank Tactics 2026. This video explores how modern tanks are not just machines of brute force anymore but highly intelligent, tech-driven units redefining combat effectiveness in 2026. From advanced AI integration to stealth movement, hybrid armor systems, and network-centric warfare capabilities, the battlefield has entered a new era. In 2026, tanks are no longer standalone machines, they operate as part of a cohesive digital battlefield. One of the biggest evolutions is the use of AI-assisted targeting and navigation systems. Modern tanks are now equipped with 360-degree sensors, real-time terrain analysis, and predictive movement algorithms. These systems help tank crews anticipate threats, adapt to enemy strategies instantly, and make more accurate firing decisions even under chaotic combat conditions. This drastically reduces reaction time, increases survivability, and enhances mission success. Another highlight in 2026 tank tactics is the hybrid powertrain system. With a focus on energy efficiency and low thermal signatures, many next-generation tanks now use a combination of electric propulsion and traditional fuel. This enables near-silent movement for stealth operations, especially in urban or forested terrain. Reduced noise and heat make these tanks harder to detect by infrared or acoustic sensors, giving them a major edge in reconnaissance and ambush scenarios. Armor technology has also stepped into the future. Tanks in 2026 feature adaptive reactive armor which changes its structure depending on the nature of the incoming threat. From high-velocity kinetic rounds to shaped charges and drone attacks, this smart armor can harden, deflect, or absorb impact in a fraction of a second. In addition to this, active protection systems intercept enemy projectiles mid-air using mini-missiles or electromagnetic pulses before they even reach the tank's body. Communication and coordination are central in today's tank warfare. Network-centric operations allow tanks to share real-time data with infantry units, UAVs, command centers, and even satellites. This level of integration means tanks are no longer limited by what their crew can see. Instead, they operate with a complete digital view of the battlefield, enabling faster maneuvers, synchronized strikes, and highly coordinated defense. One of the most striking features in modern tank tactics is the use of drone integration. Many tanks now carry mini-surveillance drones that can be launched directly from their turrets. These drones scout terrain, detect mines or IEDs, and identify enemy positions from a distance. This reduces risk to human scouts and expands the tank's operational awareness significantly. Furthermore, training and simulation have undergone a transformation. Crews now train in fully immersive VR simulators that replicate various battlefield environments. These simulators use real-world combat data to sharpen decision-making skills, improve coordination, and reduce error in live missions. As a result, crew performance in 2026 is far more refined and adaptable than ever before. In terms of specs, today's tanks weigh less but deliver more. Advanced composite materials and compact modular weapons systems allow greater speed, agility, and customization. Some models reach top speeds of 70 km per hour even off-road, while turret rotation and firing systems respond in milliseconds thanks to electric servo tech. Tank Tactics 2026 also emphasized decentralization. With autonomous support vehicles and AI-driven logistics, tanks no longer depend entirely on supply convoys or human planning. This autonomy ensures sustained operations even in contested or disrupted zones. The battlefield of 2026 is fast, intelligent, and unpredictable. Tank tactics have moved far beyond brute force to become a symphony of coordination, stealth, and precision. Whether it's smart armor or networked drones, every element is crafted for survival and superiority in modern war.